In this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to Notion. So for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is head over to our Notion page. Make sure you open it ready. And once you've opened it, go ahead and look for widgetbox.app. And from here, we're going to create a widget. So say, for example, calendar is what I'm going to be making here. I'm going to click this one. You have two calendars available here. So one, we have simple calendar and another simple calendar here. So let's go ahead and use this one and then customize this a little bit. So let's go ahead and start on Sundays. If this is what is showing, just go ahead and refresh this one and you should be good. All right, there you go. So we are starting at Sunday. And then for the background, let's go ahead and customize this one to your liking. Okay, so I think I'm gonna head over to use it around grayish blue. Okay, there you go. I think that's enough. And then for the calendar text color, you can click this one and choose a different color of your liking. So black is my choice. And then for the header background, header text color, you can change these as well. So let's go ahead and use about navy blue or dark blue. There you go. Text color, I'm not gonna attach that one. We're gonna head over to the border color. Maybe this is something that we can change a little bit to black. Okay, and then let's go ahead and just increase this a little bit. All right, there you go. Now corners, let's go ahead and have like large round corners. So once you're done with this one, you can rename this one. Let's go ahead and Notion page calendar. All right, there you go. So I want you to go ahead and customize this to your liking, and once you're done, just go ahead and click copy embed URL. Now this time what you're gonna do is head over here and then you're gonna go ahead and tap this. Just go ahead and paste it here just like so. After doing so, you have this option here. We're gonna choose embed. All right, there you go. So now we have done that one, and then we can go ahead and just basically go to that particular month or year. Say, for example, in this case, March 4. And then you can also go ahead and click this one and then align this here. And then you can just copy this one or just leave it there. You can also resize this. Say, for example, if I want it to be small, I can definitely do that one. And yep, that basically, everybody, is how you're going to add widgets to Notion.